Hello students, welcome all of you. In this video, I Abhay Kumar going to discuss waves in continuous media, that is progressive wave and equations of progressive wave in oscillations, waves and acoustics for BSc Part 1 Physics courses in lecture number 1. First of all, the definition of progressive wave. The wave which travels continuously without any disturbance in a homogeneous continuous medium, and the medium particles perform simple harmonic oscillations. It is called a प्लेन प्रोग्रेसिव वेव. जब कोई वेव या डिस्टर्बेंस किसी मीडियम में, कंटिन्यूअस होमोजेनियस मीडियम में, बिना किसी डिस्टर्बेंस के लगातार ट्रेवल करता है, जिससे कि मीडियम पार्टिकल्स सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेशंस परफॉर्म करते हैं, तो उस वेव को प्रोग्रेसिव वेव या प्लेन प्रोग्रेसिव वेव कहा जाता है. Now we have to derive equations of a plane progressive wave. Suppose a plane progressive wave travels along positive direction of x-axis with velocity v. In figure 1, a plot of, that is graph of displacement of the medium particles along y-axis against their respective positions along x-axis is plotted. फिगर 1 में मीडियम पार्टिकल्स का डिस्प्लेसमेंट वाई एक्सिस के लॉन्ग एंड उनके रेस्पेक्टिव लोकेशंस और पोजीशंस को और कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पोजीशंस को, पार्टिकल्स के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पोजीशंस को एक्स एक्सिस के लॉन्ग एट ए पार्टिकुलर इंस्टेंट रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है. सपोज द सोर्स ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस इज सिचुएटेड एट पॉइंट ओ, दैट इज द ऑरिजिन ऑफ द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस. when the medium particle situated at O is passing through its equilibrium position, then displacement of the particle, medium particle at O is given by y equals to a sin omega t, where a is the amplitude of, that is maximum displacement of each medium particles, and omega is the angular velocity, which is given by, omega is the angular velocity which is given by 2 pi by t. Capital T is the periodic time, that is time period of a medium particle, in which the medium particle covers a distance equal to wavelength lambda, that is distance between point O and point B in this plot, that is in figure 1. टाइम पीरियड टी में मीडियम पार्टिकल ओ पॉइंट से, जहां पर की सोर्स ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस है, वहां से बी पॉइंट, जहां पर एक कंप्लीट वेव फॉर्म होता है, दैट इज डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पोजीशन ऑफ टू नोड्स O and B are the locations of 2 points where the distance covered by a medium particle in time period or periodic time capital T, that distance is equal to wavelength lambda. So points O and B are at the same level. Both positions, that is O and B, are called nodes. And distance between point O and point B in which a medium particle covers a distance equal to wavelength lambda in periodic time capital T. T टाइम पीरियड है मीडियम पार्टिकल का, जिसमें कि मीडियम पार्टिकल वेवलेंथ लैम्डा के इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, दैट इज पॉइंट O एंड B, विच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड इन फिगर 1. नाउ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द अनदर मीडियम पार्टिकल at point P along positive x-axis at distance x from the first medium particle at O can be represented by y equals to a sin omega t minus phi, where phi is the phase lag of the another particle situated at point P, which always lags in phase. So phi is the phase lag because the medium particle situated at lies at or situated at point P along positive x-axis is behind distance x from the first particle which is situated at O. चूंकि वेव जब x एक्सिस के अलॉन्ग ट्रेवल होकर के P पॉइंट पर पहुंचेगा तो वह मीडियम पार्टिकल ऑसिलेशंस में होगा, वह पार्टिकल मीडियम पार्टिकल सेकेंड मीडियम पार्टिकल P भी ऑसिलेट करेगा, तब तक मीडियम पार्टिकल O पॉइंट पर सिचुएटेड मीडियम पार्टिकल ऑसिलेट कर रहा होता है. इसलिए पॉइंट P का फेज जो कि पॉइंट O से फर्स्ट मीडियम पार्टिकल से x डिस्टेंस पर है, तो उसका फेज माने पॉइंट P पार्टिकल जो P पर सिचुएटेड है उसका फेज फर्स्ट पार्टिकल जो O पर, उस पार्टिकल से जो कि O पर ऑसिलेट कर रहा है, वो पॉइंट पर इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन मीन पोजीशन के अबाउट ऑसिलेट कर रहा है, तो उससे उसके फेज से P का जो P पर जो पार्टिकल है उसका फेज क्या होगा, पीछे होगा, लैग बिहाइंड होगा. So phi is so minus sign is taken here because phase of the particle at point P lags behind the phase of the first particle or the particle situated at point O, or particle is oscillating at point O about the mean position. So minus sign is taken. So phi is the phase lag between two particles situated at point O and another is situated at point P along positive x-axis at distance x. Now phase lag or phase difference between two particles phi can be given by 2 pi by lambda into x, because phase change after covering distance lambda इज 2 पाई. चूंकि लेमडा डिस्टेंस कवर करने पर पार्टिकल अगर लेमडा डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा तो फेज का जो चेंज होगा वह कितना है, 2 पाई होगा. इसलिए जब पार्टिकल जब डिस्टेंस x के इक्वल है, जब डिस्टेंस दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस O एंड B के बीच का डिस्टेंस लेमडा है, जब पार्टिकल टाइम पीरियड T में लेमडा वेवलेंथ के इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, तो फेज चेंज दोनों पोजीशन के बीच का जो फेज चेंज है वह कितना है, 2 पाई का चेंज है. 0 और B के बीच में एक कंप्लीट साइकिल है वेव का, प्लेन हार्मोनिक वेव का, तो उसके बीच का चेंज फेज चेंज 2 पाई है. तो फॉर वेवलेंथ लैम्डा फेज चेंज इज 2 पाई. सो फॉर यूनिट डिस्टेंस फेज चेंज इज 2 पाई बाई लैम्डा, एंड हेंस फॉर डिस्टेंस x फेज चेंज इज 2 pi by lambda into x, which is phi. Now putting phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into x in equation 2. This is, say it is equation 3. Phase change phi is equal to phase difference or phase change phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into x, and this value, substituting this value, that is phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into x in equation 2, we have, that is using equation 3, in equation 2 we have y equals to a sin omega t minus phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into x, and it is equal to a sin omega equals to 2 pi by t. Omega is the angular velocity, so omega is equal to 2 pi by t multiplied by t minus 2 pi by lambda multiplied by x. Now 2 pi is taken out. 2 pi is common inside the bracket, so 2 pi is taken out of the bracket. अब 2 pi को ब्रैकेट के बाहर कर दिया जाए, क्योंकि 2 pi टर्म ब्रैकेट के अंदर बोथ टर्म्स में प्रेजेंट है. 2 pi बोथ टर्म्स में प्रेजेंट है ब्रैकेट के अंदर, इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. देयरफॉर y is the displacement of the particle at point P at distance x from the origin O, where the first particle is situated. First particle is situated at the origin O. So y is equal to a sin 2 pi is taken out of the bracket. So inside the bracket it is a small t upon capital T. A small t is the any instantaneous time, while capital T is the periodic time or time period of the medium particle. So it is under bracket a small t by capital T minus x upon lambda. This is first equation of equation 4 represents the first equation of a progressive wave, that is y is equal to a small a sin 2 pi under bracket a small t by capital T minus x by lambda. और इस इक्वेशन पर भी प्रोग्रेसिव वेव के इस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन पर भी प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व किए जाते हैं. नाउ अनदर फार्मूला एंड फाइनल फार्मूला फॉर a progressive wave we can obtain by putting 1 by t. 1 by t is reciprocal of time period or periodic time is the frequency, that is number of oscillations made by the medium particle per second. So 1 by t is frequency, and frequency is equal to v upon lambda. Relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength is v is equal to n lambda. We know very well. So 1 by t is equal to n, and 1 by t is equal to frequency. Reciprocal of time period is frequency, which is denoted by the symbol a small n or nu, and it is equal to v upon lambda, because the relation between velocity of a sound wave, velocity of a wave, frequency n, and lambda is v is equal to n lambda. Therefore n is equal to v by lambda, and n is equal to 1 by t. So in place of 1 by t we can write n and finally v by lambda. So in this equation we can write in place of 1 by t in the first term inside the bracket of equation 4, which is the first equation of a progressive wave. We have y equals to a sin 2 pi a sin 2 pi under bracket 1 by t is v by lambda. So it is v by lambda multiplied by t, a small t, time, instantaneous time in the numerator, minus x upon lambda. Now lambda is present in the denominator of both terms inside the bracket of this equation. So lambda can be taken out of the bracket. क्योंकि lambda इस इक्वेशन में y is equal to a small a sin 2 pi under bracket v by lambda into t minus x by lambda में ब्रैकेट के अंदर बोथ टर्म्स में lambda प्रेजेंट है, तो lambda को बाहर हम कॉमन कर सकते हैं. lambda is the wavelength. So we obtain another equation of progressive wave as a sin 2 pi by lambda vt minus x, and this is equation number 3. This is the equation number 5. This equation, that is equation number 5, y equals to a sin 2 pi by lambda under bracket vt minus x, represents the equation of a plane progressive wave traveling along positive x-axis, that is along left to right direction. In case a wave traveling towards left, that is from right to left direction, that is along negative x-axis, then x will be negative, displacement x will be negative in that case, and equation 5 can be written as y equals to a sin 2 pi upon lambda under bracket vt minus x. In place of x we can replace minus x when the progressive wave is traveling towards left, that is along the negative x-axis. Then the equation of that progressive wave finally is y equals to a sin 2 pi by lambda vt plus x, minus x is plus x. This is equation number 6. Now equation 5 can also be written as y is equal to a sin under bracket 2 pi by lambda vt minus 2 pi by lambda into x. 2 pi by lambda को अगर ब्रैकेट के अंदर कर दिया जाए, इक्वेशन 5 में 2 pi by lambda को अगर ब्रैकेट के अंदर कर दिया जाए तो उस इक्वेशन में इक्वेशन 5 कैन बी रिटेन एज y equals to a sin under bracket 2 pi by lambda into vt minus 2 pi by lambda multiplied by x. Now we know v is equal to n lambda, relation between a speed of the wave, frequency and wavelength. v is equal to n lambda और y equals to a sin 2 pi by lambda, a sin under bracket 2 pi by lambda, v equals to n lambda multiplied by t minus 2 pi by lambda is propagation constant k. So in place of 2 pi by lambda we can write k into x. It is k into x. 2 pi, where 2 pi by lambda is equal to k, propagation constant. Write down where 2 pi upon lambda equals to k, which is propagation constant. 2 pi by lambda is equal to k, propagation constant. Now lambda in the first term inside the bracket, lambda in the numerator and denominator will cancel out. इस इक्वेशन के फर्स्ट टर्म में ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो फर्स्ट टर्म है उसमें लेमडा न्यूमरेटर में भी है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी है, दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. नाउ इट इज अंडर ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट टर्म इज 2 pi n into t and 2 pi n is equal to omega, angular velocity. n is the frequency of the particle. So 2 pi into n, 2 pi times the frequency is angular velocity. Therefore final equation is y equals to a sin 2 pi n is equal to omega t, that is sin under bracket omega t minus kx. This is the third equation of a plane progressive wave traveling along positive x-axis, that is towards right, and that of traveling towards the left will be represented by y is equal to a sin omega t plus kx. This is equation number 7, which is the final equation of, that is final, and this is third equation and also the final equation of a plane progressive wave traveling along positive x direction, that is towards right, and that means the progressive wave traveling along negative x-axis, that is towards left, can be expressed as y equals to a sin omega t plus kx. This is equation number 8. So equations 7 and 8 represents the final set of a plane progressive wave traveling along positive x direction and negative x direction respectively. That is y is equal to a sine omega t minus kx. The wave, the progressive wave, equation of the progressive wave traveling along the positive x-axis, that is towards right, while y is equal to a sine omega t plus kx represented by 8 represents the equation of a progressive wave traveling towards left, that is along negative x-axis. Now this video is completed, but this topic, that is progressive wave and equations of a progressive wave, will be also helpful for class 11 physics students in chapter number 15, waves, book 2. Thanks all of you for watching my videos through YouTube channel Physics Quantum Classes.